Start by holding the circuit board a short distance above the board so that it can warm up. Just give it some time to warm up. Then, place the board actually onto the hot plate, and you'll see it curls up a little bit at the corners. So now, give each corner some pressure so that it fully heats up. The inductor needs some extra time because it's so big, that big block right here. And now I see that the solder is becoming shiny. Then the Pico, even if it has solder pads that are ridged a bit, they will kind of clean up by themselves. And then remove the board from the hot plate. Give it some time to cool and then place it on a heat-safe surface to fully cool.